Hi everyone, this is X101 and today I'll do a flight video of MJX X101 again with Xiaomi Yi mounted with 1080p resolution, 60 FPS frames. The reason I'm doing this video again is because there was a snowstorm yesterday and there's so much of snow, so I just want to take a good video of this from the aerial, from the sky, and see how the snow looks around and how the MJX performs in the really extreme weather conditions. I have used this pencil to separate the landing skids just to prevent this landing gear coming into the camera angle, because this Xiaomi Yi has a wide angle camera of 155 degrees. So some of the viewers were asking on how do I prevent this landing skid from coming into video. So you guys can use anything just to separate this, maybe a stick, chopsticks, any pencil like this, any pen or anything, just to prevent this skid from coming into camera angle. Alright, so let's go ahead.